Good morning, everybody. We're waking up with this view. I'm going to leave this open a bit because it's really cold, and I'm going to go down to have breakfast. I forgot to mention that the hotel has free breakfast. Well, free. The breakfast yesterday was a lot better. Had more options. Just going to try a few things. Okay, I already checked out. Actually, I checked out an hour later because I made a mistake. So at this cafe I get the Wi-Fi free for only 2 hours. And then I need to look another place. So that was a good place. I just finished working and now I'm heading to the train station. Let's see where we are heading today. Last view of the castle. I might need to come back someday to explore a bit more this area. Okay, so the next one goes to Vaduz. So platform 5. Okay, I didn't have the time to explain because I was rushing to get the train, but basically there were two trains, one going to Zurich and the other one going to Vaduz. Both stations are in Switzerland. The thing is that I don't want to go to Switzerland because it's too damn expensive and it's way too far. So the last stop on this trip is going to be Schaan, which is in Liechtenstein. So that's going to be the last country that we visit. Oh, and I got a paper ticket because I thought it would be cool to do it old school. Just go to the machine, use some cash and get a ticket. By the way, it was really cheap, only €4.90. By the way, I was checking the timetable. It's a really fast journey, only 20 minutes. So we should be there in no time. I better get the Airbnb soon. So, we have arrived. Schaan, Vaduz. Holy shit, look at those mountains. It's like being in Switzerland. Surprisingly, it's not that cold. There are like 11 degrees. And I don't feel cold at all. Surprisingly, there's a lot of traffic. I wanted to take a photo, but it's impossible. This place is incredible. Look, mountains everywhere. We are surrounded. I have to come back, but I have to come back in winter when everything is covered by snow. So my original idea was to spend 2 nights here. That would give me enough time to finish with work and then enjoy the weekend. But this place is incredible, so I'm going to stick with the 2 nights at the Airbnb and then I'm going to book a hostel for another 2 nights. That's going to give me the whole Friday and the whole Saturday to explore, and maybe even a bit of the Sunday morning. So I booked a room, but there was some overbooking or something like that, so they gave me an apartment. It's the same owner, it's the same place, it's just that they have some apartment that they just finished refurbishing, and so they offer me that for the same price. So I kind of got an upgrade because of their mistake. I think it's this one. Alright, nice. Wow, it's really cool. The owner told me that they finished refurbishing it like 2 days ago or so. So I'm the first person to be here. This is really cool. Wow. Beautiful apartment. Oh, here's the key. I was wondering for the key. Huh, there's even a bathtub. It's way more than what I'm going to use. I think all this is for free. Water for coffee. Yeah, he told me that they didn't have the coffee machine and the TV. The TV I don't care, and the coffee machine, I guess he had the time to put it. Also the chairs. What I didn't see is a washing machine, so I don't know how I'm going to wash my clothes. I was really counting on that. Look, they left some chocolate for me. I like when people know me without knowing me. Oh, and by the way, I unpack because I'm going to be here like 2 nights and I wanted to be comfortable. Okay, I went out. I'm going to explore the city. At least the city center today. And then I'll see tomorrow. I really need to start thinking about returning. But I don't know if I'm going to return on Sunday or Monday. That's what I need to think about. I need to start planning. I guess that if I manage to do 4 or 5 hours of traveling every day, I can be in the Netherlands in 3 days. So I'm thinking that even if I leave on Monday, I will have plenty of time to return. So I ended up ordering a pizza. And this pizza, which is a simple margarita, cost me like 16 or 17 euros. Fucking expensive. Oh, and I was too lazy to get the pizza cutter. So I'm just tearing it apart. Yeah.